Hi everyone, Amy Hunt, home business expert here. Thanks for checking out my video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make some money online by finding the right products to sell. Whether you're a drop shipper, whether you're selling on Amazon just through drop shipping or just your own products, or maybe you're interested in Amazon FBA and branding your own products. Whatever the case may be, I have the answer for you. I have software that I'm going to talk about today that's going to help you find products that are selling today, tomorrow, and 365 days of the year. I'll teach you how to make a great analysis on finding trends that are actually going up and trends that might be going down, so maybe that's not the product you should invest in. How to identify maybe holidays, what to do around the holidays, that sort of thing. I'm going to give you examples. I'm going to show you the software, what the software does. I'm going to show you top 1% of niches, 1% of the products that are selling, and I'm going to show you a little market analysis. But thanks guys for watching. Look in the description below for any links on getting you a discount for what I am going to show you here. So see you on the other side. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about AMZSCOUT and answer the questions that you might be thinking. What is AMZSCOUT and how can it help you dropship? So this is going to take a little bit of overview, and what I want to show you is just what I would do if I was looking for a product, and I haven't pre-researched anything, so this may take a little bit, but it's good for you to see like authentic searching, because sometimes it works for some of the products you pick and sometimes it doesn't. So if I want to pick a product, this is how I would start. I have AMZSCOUT, and this is going to be quick, and I know you're going to still have questions after this video, but I'm just going to show you quickly. I'm going to take this extension, I'm just going to click it up here in the top right hand corner. I'm going to click on that. It's thinking, and it's going to pop some information up here in a second. All right, so it pops up some information, and you're probably thinking, well, what in the world is that? It's telling me what is on my homepage based on my preferences from before, like stuff that I've either bought or searched, just information on all these products. So basically what I'm going to do is, for drop shipping, they just added this. It's amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this. In any of these categories, you can do that. And I'm going to show you details on how to do this later, but it's going to tell you how to find a product to sell. So it's telling you hot sales, and it's also listing 10 as 10 being the best of products that you could resell. You can also see some estimated revenues. So those are the two columns I really jumped to quick. And I'm just going to click on, let's see, something that might be hot. Let's do this 15 culinary herb. Something outdoors. Okay, so what I would do is click on this. Now I also have something else working in the background, and that's called DSM Tool. I'm not going to go into DSM Tool right now, but basically what AMZSCOUT does is it brings products up that I can actually, we'll fill in the blanks later, but let's just talk about AMZSCOUT and is it worth it and how much it costs. So in general, right now, AMZSCOUT gives you this information. It gives you rankings. It gives you the BSR, like the bestseller rank. So where does a seller rank compared to other people in their category? The product score, the brand, the product name, the product, the link. I mean, it gives you so much information that helps take the guesswork out of whether or not an item's going to sell. So that's part of AMZSCOUT. Now, if you click down on any of these, it's going to give you more information. So I clicked right here on this chart. It's going to give me a chart. If I click back over here on the 10, it's going to give me more information. So it is just scratching the surface when you see this, and you can go over to any of these and it's going to give you more information. Now, what else does AMZSCOUT have? I want to take you to their website and show you the cost. Well, actually, let's close this down. I'm going to click there, and I want you to notice down in here when you have AMZSCOUT Pro, all you have to do is click on that, and that is This is the extension up here, and this is the pop-up that pops up down here, and it gives you the same information. Now, all these tabs here also help you dig down into niches and how to list an item. So if you're into doing your own Amazon listings, I'll do a course on that eventually, but that's it in a nutshell. If you're interested in starting to sell on Amazon, I'm going to go through, this is going to be a brief overview on how you can get started and maybe to see if this is for you or not. I'm also going to connect you to the people and the products that you need to get started. Let me tell you, after 17 years plus of working on Amazon, this is the go-to video. This is the go-to connection. Look in the description below. You don't have to be enamored by all these big fancy guys in their big cars and big houses. Look in the description below. I make it as quick and easy as possible for you. So you're going to go to Amazon.com, and I'm just going to show you briefly how and what it would look like. I'm not going to go through the whole entire setup, but what kind of money you need up front, what do you need to have in order to start your account. So you go to Amazon.com. You would either sign in if you already have an account or start here if you don't have an Amazon account. Now, there's a difference between the Amazon buyer's account, which is what you see here and what you're probably familiar with if you've never started an account, or you go down here to start a seller's account. Now, I want to talk about a seller's account. There are two different kinds of seller's account. Now, when you go here, Amazon does not put this out front with you, but you want to go in and you want to contact them and research this. But I want to show you what the options are for your seller's account. So you actually have an option of getting a professional seller's account or an individual seller's account. The difference primarily is a professional plan is $39.99 up front per month. The individual selling plan is you're going to get charged for selling per product. So if you don't sell 40 plus products, it's better for you to get an individual plan. So there's one thing you have to take note on, where are you going to start and how you're going to get started. The next thing you want to know is about the seller account, what it looks like. I'm going to show you my account. I'm going to block out some things. I'm not going to show you everything, just for privacy purposes. This is what the seller account looks like. So when you sign up for Amazon, you are a customer. When you sign up and start a seller account, it's going to be a totally different thing. So you got to start thinking differently. In your seller account, the seller account is going to give you all kinds of information. It's going to give you reports. It's going to give you the ability to do ads. You're going to have the ability to brand and make your own store. It'll show you a performance. There's different services. There's different credit card services. You have inventory, catalog. You can send it. Maybe you've heard of FBA. You can order products from afar, from warehouses. You can manufacture them and have them sent directly to Amazon. That's called Fulfillment by Amazon. Once you get your seller account, you can start with FBA. They have all kinds of videos that you can watch to learn about that. I don't have to go over that right now. You can set up a store. You can create your own brand, which means in your state you would have to legalize that brand. Now, what I want to tell you is, and again, look in the description below, is I have a way to find specific products, the top 1% of products and niches that are selling online. So let's take a look at what that looks like and the information that you would get if you would sign up and use the bundle that I have available for you. It's been work to get that bundle, and it's hugely, hugely discounted. So I would suggest that. So this bundle would look like this. It's an exclusive offer for those watching this video. You have, for all buyers, if you get this bundle, the ability to have, and if you don't know what these things are, I actually will have them in some more information and some more videos. But these are pro extensions, an app, keyword tracker, views, seller course, and product information. So you're going to get also as a bonus the top 1% sent to you. So let me show you a little snapshot of what that would look like. I have partnered with AMZSCOUT and gotten this for you to show you how you can find the top products in the market. And right now we're talking about the holiday season. I mean, that is current. So if you want top products 365 days of the year, then AMZ Scout is what you're going to want to sign up for. So the upcoming events here are in November 2020, December 2020. These are different holidays. Now, as a seller, you're always thinking probably 2 months out, because you want to get prepared and your products out at least a month ahead. So let's just say, now it's November. So I'm thinking about Christmas stuff right now, and I want to start listing that. It's almost late to the party, but you want to start thinking about that. Now, how do I know what to list? Well, it's a shot in the dark unless you have software. Like I said earlier in the video, I spent so much time and so many different listings guessing what to use. But now AMZ Scout has taken the guesswork out. So you can see those holidays that are listed there. Now, I want to talk about the market analysis that there is for your selling experience. It used to be a guess. Now with AMZ Scout, all you have to do is use their software. It's so simple, and it's an extension that's put on there. And what it does is it accumulates and gathers information. So it's a matter of seconds. It would have taken me hours, and I still probably would have guessed wrong on finding trending products. So I'm just going to scroll down through. I'm just going to give you a real quick snapshot of what AMZ Scout looks like. But you're going to find total revenues for months. You're going to find overall scores of whether or not products work. As you can see here, you're going to see trends with these statistics that this extension and these web apps, they pop up instantly within seconds. Okay, maybe not instantly. And what you're going to find here are the trends. So you're not going to be out of money. So this will help you plan a business. It's going to get your store going. You're going to be able to plan. You're going to be able to see the trends. You're going to fill in those gaps. So one holiday season, you might have the product A, a different holiday season, product B. And you can see what your product or what your store is going to be and what you need. AMZ Scout can pop you information on trends and products. And then on average, you can see the average sales across the board for different months, for different weeks, for different products. I'm just telling you, I've been in this industry for 17 years, and the fact that it can pop this information up in an instant, like within seconds, is absolutely relieving and amazing to me. So I just want to give a little bit of information on AMZ Scout. Check the description below. But let me show you some examples of last year and what it looked like, and some popular products that we're all probably familiar with. You can see the iRobot in this AMZ Scout will give you some statistics on when it's sold. So you always want to have it prepared prior to those big jumps in sales. So you can see these guys had all their inventory at Amazon, and they went booming through the ceiling through those holiday sales, which you can see highlighted. You can see Prime Day is an important thing. So Prime Day has been a great thing for sellers. You can see the LOL surprise Lego City. I always talk about Legos. I love Legos. But those are some examples of what AMZ Scout can do for you. So let's just jump back to Amazon and just talk a little bit about Amazon. And a lot of people are thinking, oh, well, it's so saturated now. Guys, it's the year 2020. Everybody is moving to online purchasing, whether they're forced to do it because they have to stay home, or whether they feel like they should because they don't want to go out, or they're tired, or they're worn out, or they don't want to get an infection, or whatever the case may be. This is the time to get your business going. So if you get started, and if you get into my exclusive AMZ Scout offer, you're going to have access to a seller course. You're going to learn how to do business reports. You're going to learn how to do ads. You're going to have, as you see, a bonus just for my buyers, the top 1% of AMZ Scout profitable products and niches. You are going to be booming, and they are so super discounting it for my audience. I suggest you would try it now. I am so appreciative, and you should consider yourself lucky that you found this video. And I'm not just saying, I'm not a salesperson. I'm a teacher by trade. I hate sales, honestly, but I am sincerely saying you should feel yourself lucky that you found this video and you have this connection, because it took me a lot of years to finally figure out that this is where it is. I mean, not figure it out, but find it. I have searched in different and tampered into some different softwares, but this one takes the cake for me. I have stuck with it. I love it. And there's only a few softwares that I've actually stuck with. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have learned something today. I hope you take that step. Drop me a note. Let me know how it's going, and see you in the next video. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you get your gears turning in your mind and maybe challenge you in stepping and taking that next step and getting a software that's going to prove to you that it's going to find and pinpoint products that are actually going to sell. It's already given you information on what money you're going to actually make. Again, check the description below for links for discounts, but you're going to get major discounts in this package. All right, so let's just say you're interested in getting the AMZSCOUT package. So what you're going to get with that package is the Pro extension, the web app, keyword tracker, the quick view, the seller's course, a 1% profitable niches and products. That's something new that is awesome, because they'll spit out some information to you to help you. And guys, if you're not sure if this is going to work out for you, they have a 10-day money back guarantee. So it's fantastic that they add that. Thanks for watching, guys. Amy Hunt, home business expert.